Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you can see by the title, today I'll be showing you all how to create your own green screen using a few of these apps. Phonto, Vaunt, iMovie, and the Eraser app. Also, you will need to use the Safari app to be able to go on Google when it's time for you to look up the icons. Also, a tip is turn off your Wi-Fi if you want to record a video so it won't be interrupted. So first you go to Phonto and you change the image to a green image. It doesn't matter which color green you choose, just choose green, and you save the image to your phone, and then you go back to your photo album and pick the image again, and then you will need to go to Safari to type in whatever icon it is that you're trying to make a green screen for. Specifically, I'm doing social media icons, so I'm going to look up Instagram PNG. And normally when you type in PNG, it will come already transparent, but sometimes it doesn't. So I'm just kind of scrolling. You can see all the options. You can pick whichever color you want or which style you would like. But I'm just going to pick one and save it so I can go back to it when I need it. Also, I want to look up Twitter because, like I said, I'm doing social media icons for my green screen that I'll be showing you today. And on some of them you can pick, they're already transparent, but that's not always the case. That's why you would also need the Eraser app. When you go on the Eraser app, you click the button at the top that looks like a gallery, and you can pick the picture. But see, the ones that I chose, they're already done for you. But I will show you one that's not done. So this one isn't done, but all you have to do is go down to the bottom and click where it says target area, and it'll clear it out for you. And then once you're done, just press done and it'll save it to your camera roll. And you can go back to it when you're ready to make your green screen. Do the same step with all of your pictures that you're trying to save. Then you go back into the Phonto app, add all of your pictures that you save, make them small enough for you to be able to add them onto another screen, basically. So you just like kind of make the size and place them where you would like them to go. Make it look professional, like you didn't do it yourself. That's the goal. So once you do that, still adjusting the sizes. But once you get everything exactly how you want it, you will save it. There's so many different like fonts and stuff that you can choose from, but just pick whatever you want and how you want it to look so it can look professional. Once you're done, save it, and then you're gonna add it to your once you save it, that's when iMovie comes into play. You will go back into your camera roll and click that specific picture. You will make it fit the screen, adjust it to fit the iMovie screen, and then you will duplicate that same picture a few times to turn it into a video. And once you do that, you will save that too. And then you have your green screen, basically. So once you do all of that, you can go back and turn this into a movie, save it on your phone, and you add an image or a video. Add a video to your iMovie, and then you will go back in. Since iMovie has this new feature now where you can do the green screen, they do it for you basically. You add the green screen onto it, and you never tell that you created your own green screen. And it looks really, really good, and it looks really, really professional. Don't mind me. It's a hot girl summer. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.